Is this thing on? Looks like it. Okay, so, a friend of mine, Joey, gave me a Christmas present. And you've seen Joey in a lot of my YouTube videos, like us going fishing, us playing at the park, us doing a lot of things together. I have YouTube videos of myself going fishing with Joey and playing with him at the park. And he gave me a Christmas present. And let's see what he gave me. Shout out to him. Thank you, Joey. Donkey from Shrek. I love this. Cute little guy. Shrek, please! Let me stay with you. I'm making waffles. What's this thing? Oh, it's Buddy the Elf. It's what he eats. I can't eat what Buddy ate an elf. I can't eat what Buddy ate an elf. But maple syrup and his spaghetti and all the candy that he ate on. All the candy, the graham crackers, the spaghetti, the graham crackers, the candy that he ate on his spaghetti. Yeah. See what else I have. Shrek socks. Socks. This looks like some type of whoopee cushion. Yeah. Oh, yeah, whoopee cushion. Well, thanks for giving me this, and I'm going to have a good time with it. Thank you for giving me my gifts, Joey, and I'm going to have a good time with them.